Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to install a software called Paint.net in Windows 11. Paint.net is a leading image and photo editing software package for Windows. It is available for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and you can even install it on Windows 7. Simply open up your browser and search for Paint.net. Download and press enter. Click on the first link that shows download-paint.net. So it will take you to the download option directly, but in case you land on the home page, you can click on that Paint.net 4.3.11 at the right hand side. So this is the home page, and here you will see that information, Paint.net. So when you click that option, it will show you two links. You can either get it from Microsoft, but that is a paid software. So we'll click on download now on the second option. Click on free download at the top right corner. You can close the ad, and a zip file will be downloaded at the bottom left corner. You can click on that up arrow and click on show in folder. Because it is a zip file, so we'll have to extract it. So right click on it and then click on extract all. Simply click on extract at the bottom. It will take few seconds, and then it will open the folder in which it has extracted the file which we need to install. So simply double click on it. Click on yes on user account control. And it will initiate the installation of Paint.net software package. I will close those other windows. Click on continue. Okay, on installation wizard, leave it like this. Use the express settings and click on next. Then accept the license, click on I agree and click next. Click on finish. If you want to start the application, put a check, otherwise you can uncheck it and then click finish. So our software is installed. We can double click on the icon to open it. So this is how Paint.net looks like. You can use this application to edit photos or images. I will close this. And that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye-bye.